Barbary lion versus Siberian tiger. Who would win a fight between these two predators? You are watching Animal Fight Club. The Barbary lion versus Siberian tiger was most recommended video by subscribers. And lion versus tiger is also a most discussed topic all around the world. Lion versus tiger fight seems imaginary because they don't share same habitat. The lion versus tiger is the most spectacular thing among all. The lion versus tiger fights are also observed in many zoos. The Siberian tigers are also known as Amur tiger. The Siberian tigers are the largest subspecies in the world. In wild, Bengal tigers are larger. Siberian tigers are well known for its power and dignity. They are also among the most recognizable cats because of their distinct orange coat and black stripes. The Barbary lion was also called the Atlas lion, the North American lion, and the Egyptian lion. The Barbary lion is one of the largest subspecies on Earth that can be extinct now. The Barbary lion was the most epic and majestic looking cats in the world. This cat looks more gorgeous for its thick manes, size, and weight. The average length for a male Siberian tiger is up to 10 feet 9 inches from head to tail, and their height is up to 4.5 feet tall and at their shoulders and weigh up to 280 to 320 kg. The other side, the Barbary lion, was the largest lion subspecies. The adult male Barbary lion was about 9.2 feet long from head to tail. Their height is up to 3.3 feet and at the shoulders. Average weight of an adult male Barbary lion range between 270 to 300 kilograms. Height force. The adult male Siberian tiger can deliver 1050 pounds per square inch in a single bite. Oppositely, the bite of a Barbary lion is about 950 pounds per square inch. Speed. The Barbary lion can reach speed of up to 80 kilometers per hour, and the Siberian tigers can also reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour. Both can only run for a short amount of time in this speed. Strength. The tiger has the largest canines of all big cat species, ranging in size from 2.5 to 3.9 inches long and 30 number of teeth in their jaws. Tigers' claws reach length of up to 4 inches long, where the lion also have 3.9 inches long canines and 30 numbers of teeth in their jaws, and lion claws can reach length of 3 inches long. Habitat. The Siberian tigers is mainly found in eastern Russia, although there is a small population in China. The Barbary lion were once roamed of North Africa but are now extinct in the wild. Only Barbary lions are left in the zoos. Who would win? Siberian tigers are much stronger than any other animal. The main advantage of tiger when they're fighting against lion is that tigers swiping both paws in one time. The main disadvantage of lion is when fighting against its rival is that he can't stand properly in its hind legs, but the lions are very crazy fighters. Let's see who is the winner. Vote for these two giant predators in the comment box. In my next video, I will announce the winner. Last animal battle between African lion versus Indian gaur. The winner is the African lion because the lion have 55% chance to win, but the gaurs have only 45% chance to win. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and support the channel by pressing the bell button. Thank you.